really tired. I'm gonna go to bed, Dad. Good night.
Good night. Martina, ano bang problema mo kay Audrey?
Dad,
Pinaalala mo pa sa kanya yung lalaking hinahanap niya. How insensitive of you.
Dad, why are you attacking my wife? Pinaalala lang niya kung anong problema natin kay Audrey.
Dad, sinabi ko lang sa kanya na walang sesa yung ginagawa niya. And push her to the right direction. Wala akong masamang intensyon, Dad. You know me. I'm on your side.
This is all your fault. Kayong dalawa.
Paano namin naging kasalanan?
Kung hindi ako nakinig sa inyo, wala sana tayong tinatako kay Audrey.
But, Dad, that decision is why you and Audrey got fixed in the first place. Tingnan nyo, alagang-alaga at mahal na mahal ka ng anak nyo ngayon. Nag-heal yung relationship nyo because of what we did.
But this is not real healing. If we are keeping something really important from her, and I'm dreading the day na bumuka ang sugat at masiwalat ang lahat.
Pero hindi mangyayari yun, di ba? Kasi tayong tatlo lang nakakaalam. At walang magsasabi sa kanya. Right, Dad?